The day the Bills shrunk. In a house on Sunflower Lane, small and sweet, lived a family who danced to an energy beat. But their energy bills? Oh, they gave them the wax. Mom turned off the lights, she unplugged every plug. She told Max and Emily no cartoons to chug. When knockety-knock at the door came a sound, and a man in green stood on the ground. But the sun's up above, shining near and far. With solar, you'll save no need for a car. So they planned and they plotted, they measured and drew, and soon on the roof, there were panels brand new. The sun hit the panels, the house came alive. And the family's savings began to thrive. So whenever the sun shined, high up in the sky, the family would cheer and wave it goodbye. The end.
This is a Superior Solar USA story, and it could be yours too. Take control of your energy bills, save money, and brighten your future with clean, renewable energy. Let the sun work for you. Contact Superior Solar USA today and start your journey to savings and sustainability. Your happily ever after begins with one call.